What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I got a good one today. Picked up this Husky shop stool, all right? $19 at the Home Depot. Come on, I'm gonna put it together, throw it in the trailer, and it'll be something to use. For 19 bucks, you can't go wrong. Let's open it up and see what we got in the box here. All right, excuse the mess. Doing a few things around here, trying to keep busy. Hope you guys had a good holiday. All right. Get ready for the new year. Hopefully 2023 will improve for some people out there that need it. If you're starting a new business, don't give up. Just keep going. So let's see what we got in here. All right. Of course, we got the freaking seat here. Oh boy, we got a lot of bolts, a lot of screws. Oh boy, okay. Got us a ring, looks like a hula hoop for a small person. All right. We got a couple of legs here. So let's get them out of this bubble wrap. I used to like to pop these. Look how small they are. These are the mini ones. Save that for later. I would normally be doing this outside in the back or in the trailer, but it's too cold. It was like 7 degrees this morning, so that's not going to work. All right. So we got a book here. You want to scan it really quick. I look at a picture, you know what I mean? All right. Rubber caps, oh boy, stools. All right, so that's Sonny. I could hear him clawing at the door. All right. This is the platform for the swivel. Hey, Sonny, what are you doing, pal? These are going to go on the bottom of the legs, I would imagine. There's 4 of them. Got some hardware. And we got the base. This thing will swivel, and that's what's going to be screwed into the chair. Or, I'm sorry, into the cushion. You can see the holes here. So we're going to put this on here and use the hardware. This will be most likely, this will crisscross, this will go on top, and this ring will go down here in the middle. So let me get to it. I'll put it together. Sonny, you gonna help? All right, good. Then I'll show you the finished product. But for 19 bucks, you can't go wrong. Now let me get it together, and then I will be back to show you what it looks like. All right, I thought I'd show you the finished product with the stool. Looks good. Boom. There it is. If you could see it with the sun. Sorry about the sun here. I'll get in here and kind of get the sun out of the way. There you go. Husky, kid. What do you want to do? It looks good in the... Oh, look at this. Close your eyes, boys and girls. This place has to be cleaned. Yeah, look, there's a bike here. It's a mongoose, probably ridden 10 times. One of my kids. I put it in the trailer because they left it outside and it would rust. You know what I mean? All right, so we'll catch you on the next one. $19.99. Go grab yourself one of these bad boys. Later.
Yes, Sonny.